secrets in code. Can't ignore the heavy binary load. Locked in rhythm down the road. No escape in this mode.